Have you ever wanted to make chicken fry but ended up not making it because of the amount of oil that it needs? Here is an easy yet amazing recipe which I call it as chicken tawa roast. It tastes just as the deep fried chicken and you just need very little oil for this. Hello all, welcome to Lemon Ginger. Hope you're all having a great week. Now let's see how chicken tawa roast is made. Set the stove to very low flame and place a small pan on it. Pour 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and let it slightly get warm. You don't need it to be very hot, just warm is enough. And to it, I am putting 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoons of pepper powder, and I'm gently stirring it. You should stir for around 2 minutes without burning the powders. If you do not have the ginger garlic powders, you could use ginger garlic paste. That's totally fine, but the powders have that smoky flavor which enhances the taste of the tawa roast. After 2 minutes of stirring, set it to cool down. Now I am taking chicken. I have taken here 1 kilo chicken of medium curry cut pieces, and to it I am adding the powders, the masala mix. Add salt to taste. Then gently mix. The masala powder is a little hot, so I am using the spoon to mix. Spread it everywhere on the chicken. So if you do not have time for an elaborate chicken curry or recipe, you can always go for this one. So now I've applied it everywhere on the chicken. I'm keeping it aside for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, place a tawa or a pan on a medium flame. To it I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and let the seeds splutter. And to it I'm adding the marinated chicken pieces. To it I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala and some curry leaves, and I'm giving it a stir well. So if you are here for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel Lemon Ginger, and if you like the video, please don't forget to share it as well. After stirring, I'm adding 1.5 cups of hot water to it, and again I'm stirring well. So after stirring, close the pan and cook the chicken for around 25 to 30 minutes. Don't forget to stir intermittently. And after 30 minutes, the chicken would already be cooked. If there is any gravy, keep stirring until the gravy is completely absorbed or completely gone. Keep stirring. And now once the gravy is completely reduced, I am adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. It enhances the taste of the chicken roast. If you want the chicken roast to be more spicy, you could add 2-3 green chilies now, or a spoon of pepper powder. But right now for me it's completely fine, so I'm not adding any of these. So if you want, you could put either of these. Now I'm adding curry leaves to it. More the curry leaves, the better the taste. Keep stirring for around 2 minutes and that's it. Easy chicken tawa roast is ready. You could serve this with chapati, any other flatbreads, or even with rice. So for a busy weekday, you could marinate this chicken in the morning, keep it in the refrigerator, come back from office and keep it in the tawa on medium flame, and after 30 minutes chicken tawa roast is ready. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and please don't forget to share with your friends and family. Until I come in the next episode with a new recipe, I wish everyone to have a safe and happy week. Bye bye.